Matrices. I know, the word alone sounds complicated, right? But stick with me, we're gonna make this click.
So what are these things? Just weird brackets full of numbers? Let's treat it like a puzzle we're going to solve. You actually see these everywhere. A simple seating chart in a classroom? Yep, that's a matrix.
And spreadsheets? You've definitely used those. That's all a matrix is, just a grid for organizing stuff.
Okay, first things first. Rows are horizontal. Columns are vertical. That's the basic layout. The order of a matrix, that's just its size. We always say rows first, then columns. All right, now let's learn the basic puzzle moves. We'll start with the easiest one.
Adding is super simple. First, the matrices have to be the same size. Then just add matching numbers.
So here, we just do 2 plus 1, which is 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. See?
All right, now for the one that trips everyone up, multiplication. But there's a pattern, I promise.
Just think of it like this. A row from the first matrix meets a column from the second.
So here's the pattern. Take the first row, then the first column, multiply the pairs, and add them up.
So 1 times 5 plus 2 times 7, that's 19. And that's our first number.
Okay, now for the main event. Let's talk about the determinant.
So what is it? A determinant is just a single number you get from a square matrix.
For a 2x2 matrix, the pattern is just a simple cross multiplication. It's AD minus BC. So here we do 3 times 4 minus 2 times 1. That's 12 minus 2. And that leaves us with 10. That's the determinant. Simple as that. Now, because you know that, let me show you a killer exam tip that uses this logic. Here it is. If any two rows or columns are identical, the determinant is always 0. No math needed. All right, let's pull all of this together with a final cheat sheet. So remember, a matrix is a grid. Addition is spot by spot. Multiplication is row meets column. And that 2x2 determinant is AD minus BC. See the pattern there? It's all about patterns. Once you see them, you've totally got this.